Meaning of front.
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 Front. The word front can have multiple meanings depending on the context in which it is used. It can refer to the forward-facing aspect of an object or the area that faces towards a particular direction, such as the front of a building. It can also refer to the forefront or leading position in a particular field or area, such as being at the front of an industry. Additionally, it can be used as a prefix for words like front end and front runner, which describe something that is located or positioned at the front or leading edge of something. Overall, the term front typically signifies a position or direction that is associated with leadership, prominence, or visibility.